In this DIY, I'm going to maximize the door space by hanging our spray bottles on the door. That way they're easier to access and it opens up more space inside your cupboard. All I'm going to be doing is modifying existing door handles, and I'm going to be mounting them on the inside of the door. This is going to act as a hanging rail for my spray bottles. Here's what I need. Some door handles, a spirit level, a measuring device, some masking tape, a pair of pliers, a style Phillips screwdriver, some drill bits, some screws, a hex key, and a cordless drill. Normally a door handle is mounted on the outside of the door with this screw coming in from the inside. We're going to be mounting this on the inside, and obviously we don't want a screw on the outside, so we're going to drive our screw all the way through the top of the handle. To do this, I'm going to remove the nut on the inside and then drill all the way through the handle. Most of the nuts are screwed in and can be removed with a hex key. Take out the screw. There's your spacer. We're going to run our drill bit all the way through that hole. Take the 3.5mm drill bit and drill down vertically through that hole. Select a position on the door for the handle that won't obstruct any shelves when the door is closed. Also allow for enough clearance on the sides to accommodate the edge of the carcass. Use a spirit level to ensure your handle is level. With the handle level in position, mark the holes with the drill and take care not to drill too deep. Apply some masking tape to your drill bit to act as an indicator to ensure you don't drill all the way through the cupboard door. Now reassemble your handle. Obviously I'm turning the handle around to make use of the countersink on this side. Pop your screw all the way through. I'm using a 50mm screw which accommodates the thickness of my handle, the length of the pillar, and the thickness of the timber. The last thing you want to do is have your screw going all the way through out on the front side of your door. So make sure you have enough meat going into the timber and making sure that it doesn't protrude on the outside. There you go. A simple upgrade to any kitchen cupboard has opened up more space inside the cupboard on the shelves and easy access for my spray bottles. Quick and easy. If you enjoyed this clip, check out the builder's website or our YouTube channel for more how-tos and DIYs just like this.